Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning. Birds are chirping. My boy Edgar's out in the woods with me. We're just looking at some of the cleanup I'm gonna be doing soon. That was a long standing dead ash. I believe it was an ash. And you can see the top of that one came down and the top of that one came down. And back through here. But that's okay. I process and sell a little bit of firewood on the side. So, but some of this stuff is pretty huge. I mean, look at Edgar in comparison. He's a 18-pound kitty. That's a pretty big chunk of wood. The floodwaters are receding steadily, so no problem there. I just need to be a little patient. So the other day on that other video, I ranted a little bit about the litter. Right before I went for a walk, I was out with trash bags on the road picking up, and I think that just kind of had me a little bit ticked off, I guess, but I hope that didn't bother anybody. I guess we're going that way. I'll talk to you later. Here's another big one that came down, and there's another big one. I don't know if you can see the stump. I'll try and zoom in. Right there. Another big one. More ash. Which for the most part for me is firewood, because I don't like turning it. Have a great day, everybody. God bless.